we can give the good effect of the products. We can give the good effect for that. So first we'll start our product, SEABUCKTHORN. SEABUCKTHORN is a juice. It is a concentrate. It has to be mixed with water and it is to be consumed. As per the scientific purpose, it contains 190 biologically active nutrients, minerals, flavonoids. Mineral means that it contains flavonoids, amino acids, phenols, beta-carotene, and folic acid. Vitamins, you can say A, B1, B2, C, D, E, and K. In the next meeting, we'll discuss about that. What is the benefit of the vitamin A, B1, B2, C, and all in a in-depth manner. First, we'll go in an outline manner. We'll find that it contains 190 biologically active ingredients, 24 minerals, and omega-3, 6, 7, 9. This is the specialty of this particular SEABUCKTHORN juice. In certain products, you can take walnut oil. You can take flax oil. If you taken other all the things, it contains omega-3 or omega-6. But only the fruit SEABUCKTHORN juice contains omega-3, 6, 7, 9. What do you mean by omega-3? It is called as an essential fatty acid. This essential fatty acid is not secreted in our body. It has to absorb from the food what we are consuming. Underline, the essential fatty acids of omega-3 is not secreted by our body. It absorbs from the food what we are intake. So when we are taking the SEABUCKTHORN juice, it contains omega-3, 6, 7, 9. The omega-3 is a very, very, very important product, essential fatty acid, in the formation of the cells. Human body is fully formed of cells. You can say, for just an example, I will tell you, you got the muscular cells, you got the skin cells, even the hair, it is formed of hair cells. If you taken the liver, it is formed of the cells. Every organ, everything is formed up by the cells. Formation of the cell, every layer of the cell contains the omega-3. You know very well, every day number of cells will be produced by body, and the number of cells will dead, it will go out. By producing as well as to get out of that, the whole thing will be done by the layer, outer layer. Those cells layer is formed up by omega-3. When this omega-3, 6, 7, 9 is taken from this SEABUCKTHORN juice, it will do the wonders in our body. What it will do? It will do from the head to toe. You can find the benefits of this, because the whole body is formed of cells, so that it will give the benefits from the head to toe. If you taken the hair, it will support your hair growth. If you taken your eyes, it will be benefit for your eyes. If you taken the brain cells, it will be good for the brain cells. If you taken the bone formation of the teeth, other bone structures, it will be helpful. It will be good for the heart. If you taken, it will be good for lungs, good for the heart, good for the stomach, good for the digestive system, good for the kidney, good for the muscular formation. If you taken from the head to toe, it will be beneficial. The omega-3. You can go to through any of the net or any of the things, you can search out what are the benefits of omega-3. They will tell so many things. As well as our body need omega-3, omega-6, omega-7, omega-9. The omega-7 and 9 plays a very vital role in the formation of the skin and the beauty of the skin and the hair care. Everything will be depending upon omega-7 and 9. Omega-3 is mainly for the heart and other main organs. It is beneficial. So it works as an antioxidant. It works as an detoxifier. It works in diabetic. If you taken the liver problem, minor liver problem, it can be taken care of by this. Minor kidney problem can be taken care of by this. So the whole body structure, because the whole body is formed of cells. Our SEABUCKTHORN juice works in the cellular level, not organ level. It is works in the cellular level. So whole body is formed of by cells. The cells will be controlled by the omega-3. It will take care of that, so that you will get all the health benefits out of this SEABUCKTHORN juice. Anybody want to say anything, or you got any doubt or any questions? You can ask me now itself. You can unmute and you can talk to me, please. Hello, Ami. Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay.
No,
anyone
this
having
can
the
be
doubt?
even a question answer session. Anyone have any doubt on this particular product?
For 5 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes we
questions?
can give for this particular
Before
product.
going to another product, you can ask any doubts, or you want to know anything more on this subject, you can ask about it.
Vila, Nico, Ataji Mommy.
Yeah, fine, sir.
Any questions you have, you can ask, no?
No, sir, it's fine.
It's fine?
Got it. Yeah, got
Yes.
it.
Yeah, okay. Then we can go for the next product?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir, continue with next product, sir.
Yeah. Next one is, we'll discuss about the acai berry. Regarding this acai berry, which is available in the market, but is all 100%, mostly it is diluted. It is a very, very diluted form, so that the result will be very, very less percentage. But in our case, the acai berry is prepared from the high quality fruit as well as the high concentrate we are using. So when you are using the high concentrate, the result will be more when compared to the other products. Acai berry, the climb, it is a very, very tall climb. Out of that, the main thing we can say, it having the anti-cancer properties. It is having the richest source of antioxidant, so that it is having the anti-cancer properties. What do you mean by anti-cancer properties? In human body, the cells has to multiply as per the structure, as per the instruction received from the brain. The cells will multiply. But in certain cases, that is called carcinogenic. What do you mean by carcinogenic? It is all kind of chemicals. It may be from the tobacco, it may be from the fertilizer, it may be from the pesticide. It will enter into our cells. It will mutilate our cells. That is, it will give a wrong information to the cells to multiply. When the cells start to multiply uncontrollable manner, that is called cancer. Multiplication of the cells uncontrollable, it is called as a cancer. To prevent that, in the starting itself, it will control. When one cell multiplies into a multiple cells without control, immediately this acai berry, what it will do, it will act as an anti-cancer property, so that it will prevent there itself. If a person is taking regularly the acai berry juice, the multiplication of the cancerous cells will be avoided totally. So that we call it as an anti-cancer properties. And it is an richest source of antioxidant. It is called as an immune booster. It got its own vitamins, minerals, everything. What you name it, it will be in the acai berry. That is the specialty of the acai berry. The acai berry is not available in India. It is totally an imported product. It is prepared by us in India in a proper way, with a high concentration, with a proper manner. Majority is in a natural way. That is the specialty of our product. So it works as a detoxification in our body. It will fight the cancer cells I discussed with you. It will works in weight loss. It will give you the sound sleep, as well as it will give you the energy. If you take the acai berry shot every day morning, the whole day you will feel active. It will give the energy to your body. It will be helpful for in digestion. The main thing, acai berry in our shot, the single shot what we are giving, the acai berry shot, the preparation is very, very, very important. So we are following a technology in such a way that we are not at all using any of the heating process. You see, they will take out the fruit, they will boil it out with the water, they will take the extract. In our method, we are taking the extract not as a hot process, we are taking it in a cold process. The cold process means we will not apply the heat into the fruit. So most of the minerals, vitamins, amino acids, and the other biological properties which is available in a high concentrate in the acai berry, it will be maintained as it is. We will not lose any of the properties in the fruit. In other angle, what do you mean by heat process? So they will apply the heat. In anything, you take an example of a seed. I'm telling you not only for this purpose, it is applicable for even the SEABUCKTHORN juice also. What do you mean by hot process and cold process? Our technology is a cold process technology. Others are using the hot process technology. Hot process, they will apply the heat on the fruit or in the bulb or seed, wherever it is, they will apply the heat. So most of the energies will be destroyed. In our case, it is a cold process. In the cold process method, we will not apply the heat. It will be maintained as it is. How to identify that? How you can say that that is got the biological activity materials inside? It's a living form. What do you mean by living form? Take a you take an almond seed, or you take a peanut seed. Just few almond or peanut. You take it out. Just to choke it in the normal water and put it in the proper soil. It will grow. Within few days, it will start to grow. The same another portion, you dip it in the hot water or boiling water, take it out and put it in the soil. It will not grow because it lost its life. What do you call the biological life? That biological life is lost in hot water system. When it is in the cold water, when you dip it in the cold water, when you are putting into the soil, it is growing. That means the biological living energy is there. That's why it is growing. That is life is there. So the same way, when we are making the products in a cold process technology, our products having the active biological things. So you can say the life is there. When the life is there inside the product, it will work as a human being. When we are a living body, it will work in our cells. It will give the result. So the acai berry, the specialty is that when you are making it in a cold process manner, it will work like anything in our body. It will give the very, 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 very good benefit. So that when compared to the acai berry available in the market, is a very rare. Availability is very rare. Number one is diluted. Ours is a concentrate. Number two, they are using the hot process. We are using the cold process. When they are using the hot process, the living properties will be destroyed. When you are using the cold process, the living biological things are inside our products. It will be an active ingredients. It will work in our body in a nice way. It will give the fast result. That is a specialty of our SEABUCKTHORN product as well as acai berry product. Yeah. Anyone got the doubt? Any questions? Sorry, any questions?
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Clear? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now every product I will give some few minutes for your question section, right? Question and answer will be given within 5 minutes for each and every product.
Okay.
Next one is that we can go for liver care. See, in our why the liver care tonic or serum is needed nowadays. Our liver does a function of 900 plus functions done by the liver. Still the research is going on. See, regarding the brain structure, regarding the kidney, regarding the lungs, regarding the heart, the research is finished. They done a basic research, they closed. They said this is the function of the particular organ. But till now, one organ, that is the liver, the R&D is continued by the research department or the scientists. They are continuing because every time they are finding the new function of the liver. So our liver is doing so much of functions in our body, and all the detoxification is done only in the liver, whether it is a food chemical or toxins in the food, any other things, all will be filtered by the liver. The liver doing the most of the functions, so that we should keep our liver in a perfect way. When we are taking the fruits, vegetables, non-vegetarian food, any food, whatever you are taking, all the toxins is absorbed by the liver. So the liver is most important, and as well as the most effective thing is that pesticide and fertilizers, the people they are spraying in the garden or cultivation area, when they are making it, all those toxins entered into the liver only. Our liver is detoxifying all these things. When it is detoxifying all these things, its function is more and more and more and more. And as well as lot of other toxins also try to establish in the liver or want to settle down in the liver. So in our liver syrup, when you are taking it regularly, all these toxins will be removed from the liver. So every day the liver will become fresh every day. So if you take a vessel or you take a tea tumbler, whatever it may be, after taking the tea or coffee, you are finding some, that is dust inside, some particle will be inside. If you leave it for 1 or 2 days, it will try to settle in the cup itself. When you are removing that, you have to go put some more effort to wash it out. Instead of that, you are pouring the dust first day, second day, third day, fourth day, the washing will be a problem. Okay, better example I will tell you. There is a waste basket is there. You are putting some waste into that. If you clean on the day one, it will be good. If you are not clean on the day one and putting the second day garbage into that, third day, fourth day, fifth day, what will happen? It will decay, it will give a bad smell, and a lot of insects and insects will come, bacteria, virus, everything will start to form in the dustbin if you are not clean on the same day. Like that, when the liver is doing so much functions, the toxins will try to settle in the liver, not in the body. I'm telling about the liver. When it is settled in the liver, you have to do something to clean it out every day. Like how you are brushing the teeth every day, how you are washing your face, your body every day with soap, liquid soap or hard soap, whatever it may be. The same way how you are washing your hair. These are all external things. It is easy for you to wash. You are finding the dust, immediately you are washing. If you are not taken the bath for 2 or 3 days, what will happen? If you are not brushed your teeth for 2 or 3 days, what will happen? Because it is an external, you are finding that yes, you are doing it as a duty every day. Every day morning you are doing this. The same way, the liver has to be taken care of every day, because all our food, our fruits, vegetables, what you are taking, having the pesticides and chemicals, all these things are entering into the liver and they are reducing the function of the liver. So you have to clean the dust every day. For that, you have to take some herbal liquid. The herbals are the specialists in cleaning the liver, in removing the toxins from the liver. See, the liver is removing the toxin. Where the toxin goes, the toxin is inside the liver only. Now it is your responsibility to remove that toxin from the liver. For that detoxification process, the herbals are the specialists in that. It will dissolve that, it will send it out to the waste. For that, you need our herbal based liver tonic. So it will do the duty. I'm not encouraging this, but I'm telling you, anyone is taking the alcohol every day, consuming alcohol, whether starting from the what do you call beer, beer to hard, very hot drinks, whatever, if he is taking, it should not be taken. Health condition, health advice not to take. Okay, even after that habit or the situation or the party or any some other thing is taken, is consuming the alcohol. So when he is taken this liver juice the same day night, it will wash out the alcoholic effect. The toxins effect of the alcohol will be removed from the liver. The liver will be protected because the liver has to be protected. It is doing 900 plus functions in our body. You have to take care of that. Our liver syrup made up of the whole herbals will play a very, very good role in cleaning the liver. I'm simple way I'm telling, cleaning the liver. It will be very good. If you are not cleaning the liver properly, in a long run, it will lead to all the complications because it is doing the 900 plus functions in our body. All the 900 and plus functions will be affected one by one. It may not be known immediately. In a long run, it will give the effect. The suffering will be there in a long run. To avoid all those things, to protect the liver in a proper way, in an energetic way, our herbal syrup of liver tonic to be taken every day. Any questions, please? Hello? Somebody to answer, please.
No, sir. No question.
Clear?
But yeah, I'm noting it down. It's fine.
Okay, note it down. Then if any doubt is there, you can tell me later on, right? Even at the time of conclusion also, because now we got another half an hour. So in the conclusion also, we can discuss elaborately about all the products. You can raise
Okay,
your
sir.
doubts about all the products.
Okay.
Your questions will be answered in a proper way.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next one, we'll proceed to lungs care.
Okay.
See, our lungs is removing the carbon dioxide and take out the oxygen. It is supplying to our body through the heart, our bloodstream. So regarding the lungs, you can say how it is. So there is, most of the people are thinking the lungs problem will be created only by smoking. No, that is olden days, very, very long. You can say 150 years or 200 years back, if they are affected by the smoking alone, it is accepted. Now, the lungs is affected, infected, not only by the smoking, but also when you are standing near to the man who is smoking, your lungs will be affected, as well as you are exposed to the environment. That is, the people call it as air pollution. The air pollution is by our vehicles, industries eliminating so many chemicals, gas, all these to be eliminated in the environment. When it comes all mixed with our air, in olden days, that is, if you take 150 years or 200 years back, what you got, the fine air, pure air, now it is not there. The air is polluted totally by the contamination of the industrial thing, as well as our vehicle eliminating the carbon dioxide, monoxide, plus smoking. Altogether, our lungs is affected. The lungs to be cleaned every day. How to be? What you are doing when you are wearing the cloth, next day you are putting it in the washing machine and putting the what is it, washing liquid inside the machine, and you are making it and the clothes to be clean and dried out. That is the way you are removing the dirt from the dress material. The dirts are removed. In our lungs, so many dirts are inside. It is depositing. If you saw any of the, when you are seeing the movie, they will say smoking is bad to health, something they will put, okay, smoking is bad to health, they will put into mark. In that advertisement, I saw one beautiful advertisement. They show that how the cancer is coming into the lungs, or how the lungs cancer is infected by smoking. When they are showing that, when they are showing like a tar when they are crushing the, squeezing the lungs. It is coming like a tar they are showing. That is perfect, 100% it is true. When it is every day, when it is started to deposit in a small amount, in a long run, it will become a tar in our lungs. It will become a black, brownish black in our lungs. So it may lead to asthma. It may lead to lungs cancer. Two things: lungs cancer as well as the main thing is the asthma. When it is affected, the lungs to be cleaned every day. It's to be perfect. The best way is to, I'm in a simple way. I may explain to you. Just you have to take out your lungs every day out of your body and wash it out with your washing soap or washing liquid. Dip it in a proper water, and they can put it once again into your body. Right? That is the best way to cleaning the lungs. Is it possible? It is not at all possible, right? You cannot touch your lungs. So how to clean it out? Every day the dirt is settled in lungs. There is no way to remove the dirt from the lungs. You cannot put the water inside into the lungs and wash it out. It is not at all possible. How to keep the lungs in a perfect way to protect from lungs cancer as well as protect from the asthma. In asthma, there is one more thing called chronic asthma. How to avoid all these things? How you have a normal breathing system? How to be? That is only by the herbal method. In that herbal method, our lungs tonic is prepared in a proper herbal way. You can see the labels. You can go through the ingredients, that all the proper herbals we are preparing. When these herbals are selected herbals, what we are using? We are using the high concentrate of the herbals. So the starting itself, I pointed out that I wellness group, in all our products, we are using the concentrate, not the diluted one, right? We are using the concentrate. And also we are using the high grade herbals, not the low grade herbals. What do you mean by high grade herbals or the low grade herbals? I think you are all in Assam, you are in your area. Most of the teas are cultivated in your area only, right? So if you go to the tea factory, they'll make grade 1, grade 2, 3, 4, 5. Finally, they'll make a dust tea. In market, most of the normal tea shop, only the dust tea is available. The first quality, first grade, second grade, all is exported, right? It will make I saw that in a tea factory, it is like a granules, not like a dust. It is like a granules. It is all exported. So the same way, so that is the quality number 1. That is, I mean, the dust is quality number 4, 5, or whatever it may. The same way, in our wellness group, what are all the extract or product we are using is the high concentrate, as well as we are saying as the number 1 grade, the best grade, what we are. So the effect of the products, the efficacy of the product will be very, 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 very effective. So when a person is taking, see, we are telling not to smoke because of the habitual things or the environment or whatever be the things it may be. When he is making in smoke, as well as when he is entering into the pollution areas, everywhere the pollution is, air pollution is everywhere. So that the lungs to be protected in a proper way, to protect the proper way is that to take the lungs tonic every day, herbal based. Our lungs tonic is the beautiful one to protect the lungs. So in a long run, anything to come to the lungs infection, that will be prevented, that will be protected. Our tonic not only cleaning the lungs, it is works as a shield on the lungs. It is like a coating, just like a coating, protective coating. It works like that every day, and it protects and make the safe way to protect your lungs. You'll get the good benefits out of this. The smokers will have a continuous cough, plum, it all will come out. It will be removed. In a long run, they will feel they're so much comfortable with their lungs. That is the effect of our herbal product of the lungs care. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. Next one, we to go for the UTERINE. UTERINE, I will explain when I'm having a personal discussion or personal meeting or personal training program. I will explain one by one about the UTERINE. What are the problems of the female and how will be cleared. But in a nutshell, I'm telling you, the UTERINE, what the herbals we are using in the UTERINE preparation, it will take care of all the female problems. You can say menstrual cycle problem, right? Fibroids in the uterus, tumors, all will be taken care of by our UTERINE. It will work in the female body. The female structure will be rejuvenated. If their ovaries are very small or tiny, whatever it may be, if they taken the UTERINE regularly, in a long run, their ovaries will start to develop. It will come to the normal size in a long run. It will come to the regular size. They have to take without any break. As well as the menstrual problem is a common everywhere, right? If they taken this, they will feel so comfortable. It will be regularized. You name any of the female problem, the one best solution. I'm telling not the solution. The best solution is the UTERINE because the UTERINE contains a natural herbals that will be very, very, very effective in the female organ and the total female reproductive. I'm telling in a common way, the total reproductive system of the female will be taken care of by the UTERINE if they're taken regularly. You can ask me when the normal people can take. No. If the normal, this is purely for the people, those who are having any of the problems, any of the female problems. There is a dozens of problems are there. I don't want to elaborately discuss about that. So you can go through that all the problems of the female reproductive system. Underline the female reproductive system, the problems occurs will be solved by the UTERINE in total. I'm telling in total, it will take care. Even the menopause, after the menopause, if they taken the problem, what they are going to face in the menopause also be taken care of by the UTERINE. I'm not telling the cycle will the cycle going to restart. No. They will have their problem because of this menopause problem. Their mood will be swing. They will not have a good mood. They will be irritated. Lot of things will be there. Another inside they will feel some physical problems inside. They may not say outside, but inside they will have the problems. All those things will be taken care of by the UTERINE even after the menopause. That is a specialty of our UTERINE. Starting from the young girl up to the aged woman, it will take care of totally. I'm talking the total reproductive system. That means you will understand that the total reproductive system will be taken care of by the UTERINE. Yes. Any questions about this? Hello.
No, sir. It's fine.
Clear.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm okay. I'll ask you. Now we'll come to the spirulina.
Yeah.
So spirulina is a green algae. In ours, what is the difference between the spirulina which is available in the market in ours? That is one biochemical called cycocyanin. That is the main property of the spirulina. That cycocyanin is the high concentrate in our product. In all the other things available in the market, because I don't want to explain about spirulina. Everybody knows about spirulina. It is already available in the market. But the comparison between the other spirulina and ours is, ours contain the cycocyanin is the highest concentrate we got, so that it will be very effective. When you taken the spirulina from outside, I don't know how much it will be, but in our case, if you taken 1 gram of 1 gram, that means 2 capsules. One is 500 mg. So 1 gram. If you taken 2 capsules of spirulina of our eye wellness, I'm talking about eye wellness. it is equal to 1 kg of assorted fruits and vegetables. That is, I'm telling you, you take a measuring, what do you call it? Measuring scale. Okay. One side of the measuring scale, you put 2 of our capsules. Another side of the measuring scale, you have to put 1 kg of mixed fruits and vegetables. That means what you are going to, can you eat 1 kg of fruits and vegetables every day? Is it possible? Number one is the cost wise. Nowadays, all the fruits and vegetables after the COVID, the price is gone up like anything. So, is it possible to take 1 kg of vegetables and fruits mixed together? Is it possible? I don't think it is possible. The best way to have our body in a perfect control, our body needs that vegetables and fruits every day. It needs to compensate that. And also, as well as I'm telling you, when you are taking the vegetables, you can take one day broccoli. One day you can have a lady's finger. Okay. One day you can have a brinjal. One day you have a broccoli. All you can have cauliflower. Like that you can have beetroot, carrot. One day, one thing you can have. The fruit also you can have one day banana, one day you can have apple, one day you can have the other berries. But all mixed together equivalent of 1 kg of fruits and vegetable. If you weigh that 2 capsules of our spirulina, 2 capsules is equivalent to 1 kg of vegetables and fruits. That is the main thing. You know very well that if you taken 1 kg of mixed vegetables and fruits, what is the benefit to you? It got the vitamins, minerals, amino acids, all you can say, right? The same way, our spirulina, the single 2 capsules will give you the benefit of that 1 kg of vegetables and fruits. One of the the best thing in our single food of spirulina, that it got the psychocyanin in a high level. What it will give? It will boost your immunity. It will give the strength. It will regulate your blood pressure. It will regulate your cholesterol level. It is good for diabetic people. It will fight against the bacteria and virus. It's good for the arthritis people, rheumatism. It is good for malnutrition, because the people, those who are not able to take the full of the proper nutrition, when they are lack of proper nutrition, if they taken the spirulina, it will be very good for them. It will be compensated. That is the meaning of the malnutrition. It will work even in slimming. It will give the good skin, and it will take care of your hair also. These are all the main thing. Another thing, the specialty of this particular spirulina product is that even the child can take. From the age of 2, you can supplement with the spirulina. Start with 1 capsule. The adult can have 2 capsules per day, the minimum. So they will have the good effect out of that. It got the beta carotene, this and that. They will call it as an anti-cancer properties. It got the richest source of antioxidants. All will come up. It will give the energy to the body. If you take in the spirulina every day, you will feel energetic. Yes. Hello. Any questions?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Can we go overall about that? You can discuss about the overall, right? Starting from the SEABUCKTHORN juice up to the spirulina, all these 6 products you can discuss. In a any common question about any product, you ask me now. Hello. No questions. Hello.
Yes, sir. No question as of now.
Check with others also.
Yes, all right, no questions.
So our 18 members are there. Out of the 18 members, no questions at all.
Okay, today the product training will be only for 6 products, or you want more products also? Because I thought we'll complete it in 1 hour, and this is going to be a question and answer session. So I thought 1 hour will be enough for today. So tomorrow, if you want, we will have again, or we'll have it on the next day. We'll give a gap. So we can complete all the products one by one in 3-4 days.
Yeah, we
hold
can
it.
have, yeah, we
Yes,
can
sir.
have no, please, sir.
Amit is having some questions.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, you got the question. Any questions?
No, no, sir. No, sir. Sir, we will continue tomorrow with the rest products so that all the products they should know about all the products in within a week or 2-3 days. We will complete all the products. Sir.
Okay, now we will come to the conclusion. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you can ask one question. You are not asked the question. Anyway, I am telling the answer to you, right? We are saying SEABUCKTHORN, Acai Berry got the antioxidant, anti-cancer properties, right?
Yeah.
We are telling it will give you the energy. All more or less we are telling, except liver care, lungs care, and uterine care, spirulina, Acai Berry, SEABUCKTHORN, all the three we are telling more or less the same effect we are saying, but it is all having the different effect in a different way, right? It will work. It is give the, suppose SEABUCKTHORN is giving the energy to you, Acai Berry is giving energy, spirulina is giving energy, but all these three products act in a different way, right?
Mhm.
It will act in a different way. See, simply you are calling it as a vegetable, right?
Yes, sir.
In vegetable, potato is there. The potato will play the role in the potato way, right? When you are making for a chapati or other things, you make a sabji with the potato, that is a different one. When we are making the sabji with the carrot, that is a different one, right? When
Yes,
we are
sir.
making the sabji with what you call green leaves, what all mixed green leaves, right? You are making a sabji, and you are making a sabji with the paneer. So that is a different one. This is a different one. This is a different one. But you are calling it as a sabji. The same way it may look like SEABUCKTHORN, Acai Berry, as well as spirulina. When we are saying energy, anti-cancer, that is antioxidant. When we are saying all these things, it is helpful for your skin and all. Everyone plays a different role in a different way. So I'm taking SEABUCKTHORN. Why I have to take the Acai Berry? No. SEABUCKTHORN will play a different role. Acai Berry will a different role, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anandji.
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay, right. Any other things to be clarified or any other things to be discussed?
Thank you so much, sir. We'll wait for you for tomorrow's session with the other products. The same 8 p.m.
Okay.
tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow,
Done.
8 p.m. Okay. Done.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Good night for everyone. Good night for everyone.
Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Yeah, any other people have any other doubts to be discussed
No,
with me?
sir.
Tomorrow we will give, no, tomorrow we will allow first starting 10 minutes for the clarification of all these products also.
All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow
Thank you,
we'll
sir.
start. Okay. Thank you. Good bye.
Good day.
Okay. Thank you. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Okay.
Good night.